map here, Golf Day Buddy. All tournaments are listed here, listed this year. There's 893, will come up now, 893, events listed 100. Look at that one, you want to put the central hot thing, and that one on a reminder. There. There's a reminder there. It's an interactive map we've got here as well. So for example, you want to see how to get that to that place. Session. Shows you exactly the shortest route. All the events are listed here. Put in seasons. There's your tournament there. Event info. Contact details. You press on the dialer, phones you directly. For WhatsApp, email, it goes straight through to you. That's it.